been almost 2 weeks since Rishi Kapoor passed away, and the void that has been left behind has definitely started to affect his friends within the industry. Now, Anil Kapoor, who was a close friend of Rishi Ji and even fondly called him James, recently shared a really emotional post about the happiest moment that the two of them shared together when both their children were launched in Bollywood for the first time. Here's the story. Anil Kapoor and Rishi Kapoor are almost the same age and were contemporaries as leading men in the 80s and 90s. लेकिन दोनों के बीच एक गहरी दोस्ती भी थी that remains constant through all the ups and downs in their careers and lives. Anil Kapoor used to fondly call Rishi Ji James and was very attached to Rishi Ji's mother, Krishna Kapoor, who he considered a second mother figure in his life. When news of Rishi Kapoor passing away was shared, Anil had shared an emotional goodbye to his dear friend James and said he was an elder brother, a mentor, and even a friend. From growing up to living our dreams on screen, we were together through it all. Rishi Kapoor's family recently hosted the 13th day prayer meet after his death, and like it often happens, किसी के जाने का दुख और उनकी यादें कभी नहीं गुजरती. It seems like Anil Kapoor is really missing his dear friend, and perhaps that's why he shared another touching post on social media where he shared pictures from an event held for Savaria, which marked the launch of their kids Ranbir and Sonam into Bollywood. Calling it one of the happiest moments of his life, Anil ji shared a photo of him and Rishi Kapoor with their wives Neetu and Sunita Kapoor and one of the two proud fathers with their kids. Sharing these cherished memories, Anil ji wrote, "Remembering James, sharing the launch of Sonam and Ranbir's career with Neetu and Rishi is one of the happiest memories of my life." Looks like it's not just Rishi Kapoor's fans all over the world, but even his colleagues and friends who are struggling to come to terms with his passing away. And it's no surprise that many of his former co-stars like Juhi Chawla, Ayushmann Khurrana and Hrithik Roshan also penned heartfelt notes about his influence on their lives.